Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be looking at the features of the i8 Pro Max smartwatch. Before we continue, if you do like our content, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It will be helping us grow and it's completely free. If you haven't paired your smartphone with your smartwatch yet, we do recommend having a look at the videos on how to set up for Android and for iOS. Do install the application and let's get started. The smartwatch, you can power it on by pressing the power button here at the bottom, or you can actually press this rotating dial button here. So if I press it, this brings up the main wallpaper, and I can change the wallpaper just by rotating the button. As you can see, it changes. Some of these wallpapers will allow you to see your heart rate, the steps, and others will not. If you want to have a look at your application notifications, you tap on the button, tap it again, and this will now bring you to all of the applications that are installed on the smartwatch. So let's have a quick look here, for example, to the phone application. So if you want to call someone, tap on the phone application, enter their telephone number. Let's try one. Okay, call. Do you want to dial this number? Tap on OK. And that is now calling my other device. And there is sound actually coming out of the speaker here. So you just need to put the volume up on your smartphone so you can hear it. So I'm going to end the call now. You can also check out the contact lists. You need to add contacts by the application so they appear on the smartwatch. There are other functions here for phone log. For example, you will know who called you and who did you call. You've got SMS notifications. I don't have any here yet because it needs to synchronize with your smartwatch. Sedentary option, selfie, do not disturb. You also have this option here to find your phone. So if you long press, sends a notification to your smartphone and it makes a noise. So if you lose your phone, so as you can hear, it is actually ringing here on my smartphone. Got the alarm set up here, some notifications for Twitter, information about the device. We've got the device name, MAC address. You will be able to reset the device. I don't want to do that at this point. You've got the heart rate monitor. So the sensors are at the back. As you can see, they're flashing. I'm not using it now, therefore nothing will appear. You can change the language. You can also get WhatsApp notifications. There is music. You can control the music on your smartphone from the smartwatch. And you've also got the options here for cycling, so you can see how many calories and the distance, etc. Walking as well. And you've got the temperature. The temperature, you get that information from your smartphone. What else have we got here? You've got a stopwatch. The style that you want to use for your applications as well can be changed. So all of these features are available on the smartwatch, which is great to see. And if we go over to the settings, you've got the Bluetooth, which is enabled. You've got here the verification of your steps, how many kilometers you've walked, and what is the calorie that you burned. You also have the options here to decrease or increase the brightness on your smartwatch, information about the smartwatch. You can change the style of your applications that are displayed on your phone, and here you can find your smartphone if you have misplaced it. This is it in terms of the features for the smartwatch. If you do have any questions, please do post them in the comment sections below. I'll be sure to answer them. And this smartwatch is currently available on the various online marketplaces. I'll leave the links in the description. So if Okay, let's have a look now at the application. From here, I can set some settings for my smartwatch. So let's have a quick look into them. So if you tap mine here on the right hand side at the bottom, you've got the option here for the bracelet settings. One of the options that you've got here is to find your equipment. When you tap on it, your device then vibrates and so displays a loop. If you have misplaced your device, it just vibrates, and then you can also check message notifications. Here you can define what notifications you want to receive. For example, I don't use WeChat, but I do use SMS, so I'm going to turn off WeChat. Quick reminder, I'm going to leave Facebook. I'm going to turn off Twitter as I don't use Twitter. Skype remind, I'm going to remove that. Line, I want to keep WhatsApp reminders, and Kakao Talk, I will remove that, and I'll leave Instagram. So tap on determine, and that's been set successfully on your smartwatch. Tap back, then you've got an alarm reminder. You can add alarms. So let's say, for example, that I want an alarm for 8 a.m. or 8:30 every day. I set the time and I've set it for every day. Tap on confirm, and the alarm is set, and the phone and the smartwatch will vibrate tomorrow. Sedentary reminder as well. So if you sitting down and working for a very long time on your desk, you might want to move around, so you can set a sedentary reminder to just remind you to get up and walk about. You've got a remote control selfie. This will allow you to take pictures from your smartwatch. So as you can see here on the smartwatch, there's an icon there for you to take a picture. And to take a picture, you need to shake your smartwatch. So if I shake it, it has now taken a picture, and I want to allow it to be saved. Going back onto the application, I tap back there. We also have sleep monitoring, so basically it lets you know when you should go to bed and when you should wake up, depending on the time that you want to sleep. It has automatic heart rate measurement, and you also have a heart rate assist sleep switch that you can also enable. You've got a no disturb mode, so if you don't want to receive any notifications and you don't want your smartwatch to vibrate, you can turn that on and it will then not vibrate. You've got language settings if you want to change the language on your smartwatch. Wearing method, if it's right hand or left hand. And you can raise your hand to brighten the screen, which is a nice feature. You can synchronize system time with your phone and your smartwatch. You can perform a factory reset, and you can also unbind your smartwatch from your phone. This is it in terms of the features that you can do here with. So let's have a look now at some other stuff here. So in terms of dial, what they call dial, basically it's the wallpaper on your smartwatch. Like for example, if I want to change a wallpaper, there is an option here which they call local dial. And you can select a different wallpaper. Basically all of these are free, and these are actually the ones that are already installed on the smartwatch. Now if you would like, for example, to have a custom wallpaper, all you have to do is navigate over to do-it-yourself dial, select it, and here you can actually select an image from your smartphone or an online wallpaper. So let's say I want to select something from my smartphone. So I select the picture that I want, confirm, and here I can select where I want to place the clock. Click save and use, and this now uploads the data onto your smartwatch. As you can see here, it is uploading that picture onto the smartwatch. And here you can see the progress as well. Okay, the picture has been uploaded. That will be my new wallpaper. Here you can shop for other wallpapers. However, all of them are free from what I've seen. You can change within several wallpapers here. So there's quite a lot to choose from if you get bored of some of them. So you can just install them on your smartwatch from your smartphone. Going back here onto the application, you can track your movement if you're walking, running, cycling, or having indoor activity. You can check your data as well, so how much you've been walking, running, and have an average per week, month, or year. You can also have a look at your health. So one of the important things that you might want to have a look at is how many calories are you burning, what is the distance that you're walking, also what is your heart rate and your blood pressure. We have now completed with the application. Let's have a quick look into the smartwatch. So one other thing that you need to do before you can use the phone notifications on your smartwatch is to pair the application with Bluetooth. And to do that, you just open settings, go to Bluetooth, and wait for it until it finds the application. Here it is, HRY 3.0. Tap on it, and that's now paired. So as it's paired, now we can use some other functions. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like our video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It will be helping us grow and bringing you more content. Thank you, take care, and I will see you in the next video.